breaks this high, I'm going to go in for a very quick scalp. Fibonacci style.
Discover
back.
the new Ford.
Just for a little bit, I gotta get a haircut in a little bit, and then I'll be on for Power Hour.
2025 Ford Bronco Sport for $379 per month for 48 months.
It doesn't look like the fucking day got any better anyway. Let's see. When did I get off? Around here. So this was a good trend down. I guess you could have got in this short. You would have got out very quickly though. Still would have been pretty rough because you're like, what the fuck? Down. This would have been a loss. This you wouldn't have traded. I wouldn't have traded this either because it went up above the cloud.
Stop filled.
This would have been... Jeez. So it still was a rough fucking day. But if you would have just stuck to the 2 loss thing in a row and sit in your hands for like 15 minutes and come back, you would have noticed that the market was shit anyway, and you probably wouldn't have traded. And you would have came back another 20 minutes, 15 minutes, seen that it was still shit, still wouldn't have traded. So it's like almost like it saves you money, and it's almost like you're making money if you just learn to walk away. I had to walk away before. It was fucking just no follow through at all. And it's still kind of doing that again. Usually when it doesn't work, you just gotta accept it. One of the hardest things about the game. This is just going against me already. Fuck. What's the 5 minute look like? I wonder if it's just a fucking short bias period. Then you got like, then you're gonna battle yourself because no, it's too small. I'm gonna move that one first. Say this was the bottom. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. It's really sloppy, but it kind of looks like one. On the 5. 15 minute. Still has downside. How about you guys? Any of you guys make money today? Look, it's an uphill battle. It's been a real shit past 2.5 weeks, I'll tell you that. No trades so far for me. That's fucking awesome. If you can do that and just realize when the market shit. He just lagged out. If you can realize the market shit, you will be an excellent trader. Me?
It's game on.
Been fighting that battle.
You can watch a sampling of the best in sports from ESPN Plus right here on Disney Plus.
The best of the best. Wow, far better than ever.
The brightest stars. The biggest stories. Included.
It's even another like head and let's do a smaller one here. That one doesn't work, huh? Guess you could stretch it. Still don't like it too much. But it is a lower low. I mean a higher low. Yeah, the past 2 weeks I've been like kind of stuck in the mud, just spinning my tires. Have a good day, have a bad day, have a good day, have a bad day. You really just want to survive these shit weeks. And that's why we're on MES, if you guys are tuning in. I usually try it MNQ, but it's just too up and down. So I don't want to lose my my shirt. Let's see. It should fucking continue up. But I've been saying that all day. Let's see what the 5 minute when it finally... We need this 5 minute to break above the cloud. That's what really needs to happen. I bet you this one psyched people out a little bit. It's looking bottomish though. Why the fuck do I keep getting suspicious? Oh, live visibility restriction. Should just take the loss. Sure. Hope. Good luck trying that one, brother. Good luck.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Jake from State Farm, everybody.
Okay, if there's one AI site builder you need to meet, it's this dope tech from Wix.
I don't get why this keeps doing this. And getting abused on TikTok for weeks. Lady Swan, I'm sorry, I have to restart it. I have to restart it already. It's already fucking. It already took me out of getting discovered, and then it says suspicious activity. I don't get it. Literally, I'm just gonna restart it. Another one bites the dust. Bow, bow, bow. Tea time, what up? Oh my god. You hit your DLL? Yeah, man. He sized up too much. And I went to MES today. It's way too whippy. What a fucking shit day. MNQ, I would have fucking lost my shirt already today. To be honest with you. Man, this is rough. Like, who the fuck can trade this? What is this music?
El Mundial de Clubes FIFA. Un momento de grandeza indiscutible. Los mejores con...
Yeah, I like TPT. I fucking cracked it. I passed it twice. Very easy. Very easy to fucking pass for me. And the first day I did it, I got fucking FOMO. I was all over the place. And then the second one was user error. I accidentally did fucking 30 contracts. Like an idiot. Wasn't proud of it. And those ones are expensive too. They're not expensive. Like, it costs the same amount if you pass it. But it's up front, which is pretty smart by them, to be honest with you. Let's see what the news was all day. I know Mr. President's speaking with people. China Foreign Minister hence influence of Greater BRICS. Yeah, it's like $110 or something for 50K count. But remember, if you fail it, you got to pay another $100. So make sure that you're ready for that. That's why I recommend Apex during the 90% sale, because it cost me what, $16 for the account, and then if I pass it, you pay the $100. I don't know why the fuck I'm flagged all the time. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong. Gypsy. So what do you think you're gonna do, Tea Time? Honestly, take Profit Trader is excellent, but I feel like you gotta pass. You gotta be able to pass them first. So Apex is almost the same exact rules. Almost the same exact, except for the payout and the 30% rule. So you can't hold. Say you have a $2,000 account, like you have $2,000 in there. You can't hold more than one loss. Can't be more than $600. They don't like that. They think you're gambling once you hold a bigger loss than that. And to be honest with you, you shouldn't have a $600 loss that you're holding, gambling, hoping that it comes back. That's the only thing that really flags them. I have the Apex coupon code too. If you go to prop firms, I'll just link it to you. You can use it, you don't have to. I do make $5 every time you use it. I believe it's 80% off now. I have the 90% rule. I was trying the 90% off. I was trying to get you guys all on it.
Click to get a quote today.
Just make sure that it's 80%. I don't even know. Yeah, so it's like a good beginner's spot to start at. If you're over here passing accounts left and right, I would tell you to go for it. Get right on Take Profit Trader. This is just going against me over and over. I've been doing that a lot lately. I don't know if I'm fighting the trend. Kind of feels like it, right?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're going to just see if it keeps going. That's how I feel right now. That's how the trading's going. Keisha. It's already went down too much. I only like Keisha when I feel it. I only like Keisha when I know it's squeezing. You know, I gotta pick my battles with her. See? What the fuck?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If we were to be trading this on the down low, from here to here, we would be shorting here if you weren't listening to signals. If it breaks above and it holds, then I'm going to be annoyed. This week's costing me money. Top Step is really good too. They're just really expensive up front. And for some reason, I blow Top Step all the fucking time. I think it's because I know that they have a max stop loss and it doesn't trail, so I go in too heavy. Curious to see what I feel like just nothing is working at all. Maybe just if you just did 5-minute pullbacks, it would probably work. To the downside. So yeah, that's how I recommend it. Apex first. Once you start passing them, then go to Take Profit Trader. You can make a shitload of money in Take Profit Trader if it is legit. which it seems like it is. There's some guys in Discord that are pulling money out of there daily. Apex or TPT with 30%? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm at. What are you asking? Like the 30% stop loss rule? That was just saying. Maverick. I'm a top step trader. I like them, but I just blow their counts. I don't know fucking why. I really think it's because of their my psychology with them with their $2,000. So like Apex, it's a trailing stop loss. So I'm like, let me close this bitch, and take the profit. Top Step, I'm like, I got $2,000 draw down. Fuck it, right? Know the accounts? What does that mean? On tea time. Ahmed, I think you were asking about the max loss that they don't like is Apex. TPT doesn't have a max loss for one open trade. I mean, like if you hold it past 30%, then Apex flags you for that payout period. We're almost there. I wonder if this would have been just an easier fucking strategy today. Let's just watch the 5-minute pull to the clouds and reverse. It is divergent. Should start cruising down now, just looking at the pattern. I think Take Profit Trader has a 30% rule once you pass. I don't think so. I think there's no gimmicks. Could be wrong. Let me check it out. Apex definitely has a 30%. It's probably a little less than 260, like at 100 bucks, if that. Might be a little lower. I have to add them up. I am not doing very well today. I gotta update that 260. But it's lagging every time I click on it. My best day profit for like 12,000. But that's kind of reckless trading. That was on one account too. I don't recommend that though. I won't do that again though. I'll only get that again. If it is a good day, that's fine, but only if it's smaller wins on copy trading. Ahmed, on the eval, you can't be more than 50% for one day. I think there's no gimmicks on it. That's what makes Take Profit Trader look so good. I've been trying to get into studying what I can. How did you get into trading? What was your first steps? Oh God. I started over 10 years ago. Just watch YouTube. There's so much shit out there. Just do beginner courses. Just type in like YouTube beginners for trading. And just keep going on there and just keep watching videos until you get a click of everything that you like, and then find the style that you like. Not everybody's style is gonna fit yours. I'm a 1 minute guy. Not everybody likes that. Alright, we're back in this fight. Let's see what happens. If you want to join my Discord, there is a beginner's no trading knowledge section. You can start watching those videos just to get your basics down. Then once you learn your basics, you can go from there. $55.05. Why? Because it's fair value gap projection. Yep, that's exactly why you got him in. do not do this as my career. I always recommend people to have a good paying job. If you depend on this in the beginning, you will fail. Unless you get your psychology right. Or you don't depend on it and you just look at it for extra income until you get better. Perfectly fine too. But if you want to start it as your main career instantly, you're probably going to lose. Remember, you're battling against the best people in the fucking world. Let's see, we're already at the 61s. Fuck me. Looking at a higher one. It just never pulled up, so I can't really do a Fibonacci extension. Most of them are lying. They'll end up busting eventually. You can... You still need money to make that money, so don't get caught up in that. Some of them can get lucky and they got a good base, and then they toned it down a little bit. But for the most part, you still need a couple $100, and then you're still risking it like crazy. In the long run, all they're gonna do is lose time when it doesn't work. They're probably doing like fake accounts. I've seen a couple of the big streamers, I won't say their names, on TikTok. I know that they're fake. I know when they're bust too.
Is that all you got?
Once you start learning prop firms, because that's what most of them are doing, you'll know when they broke.
The sense today.
It's gonna get messy.
You aren't here.
And then sometimes this market has no jam. You're completely right, Maverick, on YouTube. And then what was I gonna say? Some of them can have big. Some of them. You'll see the way that they trade. I'm not saying that for all. Some of them could be probably really good. Man, this is going up already. I might get out.
Order filled.
It's gonna fucking blast down now. We'll wait to see if it goes back to the 5, and then we'll just short it again, I guess. So I usually use my indicator here for signals, but it's been a sloppy fucking mess. They actually were right, but I don't trade like that. This is a little bit gambling. And then gray market means don't trade. So we shouldn't be trading. But I've been getting into this Fibonacci style. It's probably gonna go up more.
Introducing Iron Beam, the best choice for futures trading.
Still
Iron
in?
Beam is the industry-leading broker.
When are you
catering
gonna get out?
traders worldwide. With the free Iron Beam platform and free real-time data, you can trade the most popular futures contracts anywhere and
I didn't
from
like
any
it.
device.
See those double bottomish?
Day trade margins, free depth of
Or
market,
also
hundreds of
fib
indicators,
extension.
and trading directly off the chart. Makes your trading more powerful
Right
than
at that
ever.
78,
Open
it
an
just
account
bounced
today
right
to
off.
Trade with the best. Iron Beam.
It's saying reconnect. I might have lagged there. But see how it's bouncing up to 78? We're probably going to pull back just at least a little bit. And then we'll look for another short.
Help me save on my kids' allergy pills.
GoodRx can save you a lot of money. Americans everywhere are sharing the savings. You're all set.
I'm feeling like
Save up to
the 1 minute
80%
it just
on
isn't
prescriptions
working.
with GoodRx.
I mean, it's
Download
working.
the
It's
free
telling you
app.
to stay the fuck out. But we'll go to the 5 minute. It's been hitting the cloud and then just rejecting. Rejecting. But eventually this is going to fucking break through. So I'm like, I'll probably be that guy that buys it and it keeps going through. Ahmed, right? That's what the luck's been kind of like lately. I'll find the pattern and then it's been just punching you in the face the past 2 weeks.
I hear the drums echoing tonight, and she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say,
Man, I want to fucking buy this.
Order filled.
Just a quick one. Nothing crazy.
the wild dogs cry out in the night as they grow restless, longing for some solitary company. I know that I must do what's right, sure as Kilimanjaro rises like Olympus above the Serengeti. I seek to cure what's deep inside, frightened of this thing that I've become. Gonna take the light to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do.
Oh my god, it's got a fucking Charlie horse. Oh man. I went mountain bike riding. I definitely need more water.
Order filled.
Yay, I got one under my belt, boys. $5. Just needed to break the ice. Alright, we're getting past that area, right into that one pullback. Right into this 5, too. If you do just signals, stay the fuck out. Just telling you, stay out. Ooh, it's got to reject here, like. now. If it doesn't reject, this might go up. Let's see if it did it before. Oh yeah, it's did it here too. It's been doing that all over. I bet you this really fucked people all day. Because even I was like, oh, we're going up. Look, breaks above. We're going up. Psych. Tell me this doesn't want to look like it wants to go up. It's confusing. But watch, it's going to reject. It's been doing this. Looks like it wants to go up. And it's going to say, fuck you, traders.
Don't settle for second best. Discover an
That candle's looking dead at you in the face and saying, fuck you. See, look, this. I didn't think it was going to go up higher. Fucking restream. If YouTube's not working, I'm my bad. There we go. I gotta keep refreshing it. Alright, let's see if it rejects. I kind of feel like I want to just short it, right? It's been shorting all day. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do the first time I fucking get in. Watch.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, we're doing it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Sometimes I'm like, I hate these days because sometimes if you just do the opposite what you're supposed to do, it'll work. Like this looks like it wanted to go up, right? Looks like it wants to go up. Let's fucking short it. Watch it squeeze out and bite. I'm literally just doing the opposite of what I would do. Alright, you like this, lady? Lady Swan? Switch it up every couple days. Even though I get copy. R-I-G-H-T-E-D. I do have to get off in 5 minutes. Just go get a haircut and I'll be back on. Fuck you and your rip up. Come back down. See, top step, I'm being a little reckless. watch, it's gonna go. Ah, wait for it. I think we're gonna be good. It's just been following it all day, so. Thanks for the follow. Plummet, baby. Plummet. I think it wants to go up, so we're going to do the opposite. Fuck you.
Hello.
Right into the
My name's Adam
zone.
Ferrari,
Let's see what happens.
Chief Executive Officer of Phoenix Energy. I look forward to you joining us.
It hasn't broke above this since around 10-11. Still got 3 minutes in this candle. This is abusive relationship. Five straight up, one candle. Yeah, so if you guys, yes it is, right? Oh man. I gotta get in the art of when I'm streaming with you guys. Trade normal. If I don't see it, I'll just teach. We'll just go over shit. Because this was a dead ass gamble, right? I mean, I felt like it was a good try. Broke above. This is gonna go up. Ah. So I just said that, right? This is gonna go up. Now it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Put a few more on Top Step X. I am all over the place today, Shakib. To be honest with you, I thought it was maybe going to short here because we've rejected the cloud the entire day, and of course, the first candle I get in, it starts ripping past it, so we might have to accept our failures. Maybe he wants to touch the 15. Let's see what the 15 is. We're right in the 15-minute cloud.
Is a vast universe, alive with the unrelenting activity and combined history of its players. Pursuing lives of adventure, warfare, and prosperity, they share this existence in the biggest single shard, free-to-play MMO of all time.
Damn, I gotta get off for like 40 minutes, guys. I gotta go get a haircut. I'll be watching this on the road. I'll probably be getting out. Let's see if it wants to go down here. I don't even know where the fuck this wants to go. I guess we could be safe and do this. I'll be on for Power Hour for sure. Man. If it goes above this 15-minute, then we're just fucking really wrong. But I'll be managing as I go along. I won't let it go past like $200. What a bitch of a day. All right, I'll be back, guys.